Okay. Welcome to our second page of phenomenal phenomena. Let's go. Using a ruler. So our ruler has essentially two purposes in here. The bottom side of your protractor does this. You're going to use it either as a straight edge or as actually a ruler, a distance-o-meter. So for the first one here, you can check, are the edges straight or wobbly? Well, bring your ruler up to it, line it up, and no matter which one you come to, though they look wobbly, you can rotate it, bring it this way. It doesn't matter, all of these are actually straight. So that's more of that, take a psych class in college, they give you some of that visual phenomena, why does your brain see that as wobbly sort of thing. The bottom one here, this question 3, of course, they also look like they are different sizes. Which one looks bigger, top or bottom?
Top.
Top one looks bigger. But now we can actually test it with the ruler. Put the ruler on there. Beware with your ruler, a couple possible issues. Not all rulers are 0 at the very end of them. So a meter stick, for example, the end of it just butts up. The very end of it is your 0 mark. A tape measure could be a little different. There are different sorts. And generally a plastic ruler, the end is not the 0. And so you'll see on the one that you use, we have inches on the bottom, and even that does not start at 0. There's a little space. Then there's centimeters here in the middle. What's up?
The one before, question 2,
Yes.
I put the ruler to it and it still looks wobbly.
Looks wobbly, but is it wobbly?
But the ruler doesn't prove anything.
Here. Which one looks wobbly to
The
you?
one on the right, like the right side one.
This one?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I think all of them like that.
All the verticals?
All of them. Except the ones like really.
I don't know. I mean, I put it on here. It looks like the whole thing traces right along it. What do you think? What do you guys think? It has like
Wait,
the
did you put it-
stripe appears to be moving,
Put on the other side.
like over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it follows it. What's that? Looks like it follows it, right? Okay.
You like
So-
that little indent as well.
Yeah, maybe it's a little bit off somewhere, but I think that could be the patterning also. It's like the zebra in the forest. Okay, so you guys are you're actually going to be watching yourselves in a sense. Anyway, so bring this over here. Just beware when you set your ruler. Make sure you mark it at the 0 line. Bring it over here, and then what does this one give you? We're working on W11. What does this one give you? You guys can pop 1-1. Check your distance. What's it give you? 2.5. You can do better than that, though. How many sig figs do you get out of this one? Can you read the 0.5 directly off the ruler? Yes. Which means you get one more guess digit. So, Kevin, what are you going to call it? 2.50, he says. Do any of you disagree? Somebody disagree just to make it interesting. Anybody think it's a little less or a little more than the 2.5?
2.51.
There you go. Dan, is it you going to say? 2.51. Anybody think it's a little less than the 2.5? 2.48. Sam?
2.49.
Oh boy. You're getting crazy back there. Be easy with that, man. Okay, what's the point of all these? Which one of these is right? All of them. Yes, Wesley?
I was gonna say 2.45, but I don't think you
Can you?
I don't think you can guess the.
I'm glad you bring that up. Is that a legal measurement?
No.
That's a
No, you've gone beyond. You can only read to the nearest tenth of a centimeter here. So you get to estimate the hundredth. A guess is kind of a lousy word. It's really an estimate. And then the thousandth you're not allowed to make a comment about because that is just pure conjecture. So all of these are correct. Okay, good. That tells you how to use the ruler there. Let's pause this.